What is good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I am currently waiting on one of the homies. Should be pulling up any minute now. Because if you've been watching my videos, you know that I only skate with like the most 2 or 3 people, and he's one of them. And then we're gonna skate this street spot that I'm at. There he is. What do you know? He just pulled up. Damn.
What up, bud?
What's up, bro?
Chilling. It's hot in a bitch out here.
Hey, dude, I know. Yo, that bike is sick, man.
I appreciate it, Bob.
All right, bro, you ready?
Yeah.
Rochambeau. Yeah. Let's do this.
1, 2, 3.
Oh wait, it's wait. Shoot, right?
Yeah.
All right.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
Ah, fuck. Okay, hold on. I'm fucking confused. Okay. It's 1, 2, 3, shoot.
Basically on 4.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, and then shoot.
All right, got you.
1, 2, 3, shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. Yes.
Fuck. All right. Jay's first. It's a warm-up game of skate to start the day off. I mean, we haven't warmed up at all, so we're just starting from here. Ready?
Yeah.
All right.
What is that gonna be? The fucking fakey to switch front crook? Oh. That's what happens when we try to warm up like we're young still. Did you? That's game, bud. That's game. That's game.
One try.
I had to because I knew you were gonna do like a nose blunt or something. Since it's TT, you would have got me there. I had to.
Bro, that's fucking sketchy.
Nice.
Dude. Fuck.
Dude, honestly, all I do with this trick is just like a fakey basement. Just like you're gonna do it flat ground. I just really pretend I'm doing it flat ground and I just throw it on the rail.
Bro,
Like, I just
get
happen.
on flat ground though too.
Nah, you got this.
Bro, watch.
Nah, you got it, bro. You got it. You got it. Damn.
Bro.
You just had the command right there.
Bro, it's
Damn.
sketchy though, bro. I can't see if my truck's over the rail or not.
Nah, I feel you. That was a good game though.
Fuck yeah, that was.
You had the trick of the game though, the kickflip back tail to fakie.
Oh, bro, but this is a good game, bro. This
Yeah.
one was fucking good.
Yes, sir. Good game. Hell yeah.
Which way is gonna be driving?
I don't know. Maybe it's like started drizzling on the way.
We'll find out.
Let's go.
That's it.
Basically, we had to come to another skate park. Like, it's supposed to rain today, and we're just kind of like trying to avoid the rain. Me and Jay got the Red Bulls.
I just gotta smoke real quick and then we'll play.
All right, Jay's gonna take his smoke break. Might play another game of skate. I don't know. If we do, I don't know. I'm probably not the handrail, dude. I don't think I can throw myself down the handrail today.
Alright, then just fucking all the fucking flat things. All ledges, rails, and fucking quarter, and rolling.
I'm down with that. Well, you know what? Maybe I can do some basics on the handrail, but
We'll do bases, but no advanced tricks.
yeah, that goes to you.
Because I
No
can't-
kickflip, backside lip slides on that.
Hey, I can't afford to
That's
hurt
okay.
myself either, bro. I'm getting old as fuck now, dude.
Yeah, same. Damn, that was it. There it is. Maybe that's a MBD right there or no?
Is it?
I don't know.
I did it in steel toes last time.